Out of 175 facilities in Siaya, we have registered 163 facilities. Out of a total population of about 900,000, a million, the people who have registered for SHA now is 335,000. It's just under 50%. We are not in the big league. Yeah, we are not amongst the top, but you can understand initially, when this. I know you know what I mean. But the incident story is in terms of the claims. The total claims which have been raised so far is 281,907,000. And the amount which has been paid is 180,155,000. And what is pending, and is pending to be paid, not to be like pending bills we have in national government or counties, is 101 million. So it's a good story, I must say. And it has improved our own source revenue also quite significantly. Please come to our aid in transforming Siaya, because where agriculture is having an impact in society, what national government invests infrastructure and even direct investment into enterprise, can change the life positively of communities. And we believe that if in the agricultural sector, in Siaya, as you have said, the intervention in terms of infrastructure and even in terms of investment, like in cotton, I think Siaya will be doing very well. And when you are talking about agriculture, we are excited and blue economy, because for impactful and positive transformation, we think agriculture and the blue economy is key to Siaya. And by the way, Siaya used to grow coffee. And we were very happy to receive your Minister or Cabinet Secretary, Mr. Oparanya. He came and had a session with the farmers. We used to have farmers in Siaya called better farmers who used to grow Robusta coffee. Now, issues of marketing and brokerage brought coffee farming to an end. It collapsed. But coffee was being done in Siaya. Cotton used to be done in Siaya, and it collapsed. So agriculture and the blue economy has a major role to play in the transformation of Siaya as a county. And therefore, we'll walk this journey with you to make sure that that objective is attained